Namaste everybody. I am Srishti Suryavanshi from class 3rd A school Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 FS Pune. Today I am here with the experiment named Speedboat Matchsticks experiment. We need a container full of water, dishwashing liquid and some matchsticks. Method: put the matchsticks all over the container. Take the dishwashing liquid and put some drops into the center of the container. You can see all the matchsticks move to the edge of the container like power boats. Why does this happen? The dishwashing liquid makes a oily film all over the water, breaks down the surface tension of the water and pushes the matchsticks to the edge of the container. Thank you.